Hello and welcome, my friend. As every weekend, we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities as we saw, and we will enter in them. And by the way, if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest videos and updates. Also, we are on a channel specialized about trading. We put a monthly video about stock market, a monthly video analyzing the Bitcoin, and a weekly video for Forex. So make sure to subscribe and turn the bell notification for don't miss any video. And if you are a beginner and you don't know what we're talking about, down below you're going to find a 90% coupon link to one of the best selling courses in Udemy. It's going to teach you 3 money management strategies professional traders they use. It's going to teach you a proven trading strategy. A proven trading strategy with more than 3 hours live trading using that strategy. And not a live trading like with montage or something. No, just put the video on from the start of the day till the end. And by the way, that course in Udemy, it costs $200. And by using that coupon link, is it down? It's $10. Let's say $10. So, and by the way, that coupon link is only for 6 days. So be quick before it's finished. I think that's it, my friend. So let's start the lesson of today, my friend. So the first pair we got, my friend, is the EURUSD. And EURUSD, as we said it last week, if you remember. And if that the first time, you can go back and watch it. We said from that level, it's going to fall down. And that's what happened. Fall down. And this week, our view to it, it is going to make a correction. We don't know till where, maybe till here. So if you are a scalper, you can take benefit from that upward move. If you are a swing trader, wait the correction to finish and enter short in it. Remember those things, my friend. Let us to zoom it to show you the picture more clear. As you see here, we got that engulfing candle, that one. That engulfing candle from that support. That means the price is going to make the price is going to make a big correction. We don't know till where, maybe till 1.17 or till 1.17 686, or it might go till 1.18 434. Then from there it's going to drop. So if you are, as I told you, if you are a scalper, you can take benefit from that upward move. If you are a swing trader, wait it to enter in it short. Wait the finish of that correction. I think that's it, my friend. And by the way, if you don't know how to enter to it, or you don't have any trading strategy, as I told you down below, there is a proven trading strategy. Professionals, they use it. Not beginners or amateurs. Also, we give you a professional trading strategy. And Udemy is the best selling course there. So, and in Udemy, it will not cost you too much. It's only $10. $10, you're going to learn in 7 hours from a professional trader. I think that's it for that part, my friend. So let me to analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear, my friend. As you see here in the RSI, we got here that a divergence, as you see it here and here. That way we told you there is a correction, we don't know till where. And here, that one, the upward one, is a daily trend line. Every time the price I touch it, it fall down. As you see here and here and here. And now, as you see, our view, it will go up and touch it again. Then when it touch it, you enter short down. Remember those things, my friend. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, is the cable or British Pound USD. And that one, as we said it last week, we said it's going to fall down, and that's what happened. Now, if you remember that place and that support here, or that zone here at 1.36050, the price every time it touch it, it go up here, here. So now the price it touch it again here. Our view to it, it will make another high, or it will break it down, then it will go up. But don't enter in it now, wait in the correction, then you enter by short in it. As I told you, if you are a scalper, you can take benefit of that upward move. If you are a swing trader, wait in the correction and enter in it short. The level we got here, we got that level at 1.37047, at 1.37477, at 1.38087, at 1.39127, and the last one at 1.39557. I think that's it for that pair, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear, my friend. As you see here, we got here down as support for the RSI, or a divergence, or name it whatever you want. Every time the price it touch it, see here, touch it, it went up. Touch it here, it went up. Touch it here, our view to it will go up. So that's it for that pair, my friend. Our view here in the RSI it will go up and it will touch the daily trend line. That one is a daily trend line, and if you want to know how we do it, go back to the previous video and you're going to find it there. So you, if you are, as I told you, if you are a scalper, you can take the benefit of that upward move and you take in 20, 50 pips. If you are a swing trader, you wait it to be touched here, then enter short down. I think that's it for that pair, my friend. So the other pair we got is the Aussie, or Australian dollar USD. And that one, the same story like cable, like US dollar, like Euro USD, sorry. It touched here that level at 0.71011. Our future it will make a correction. We don't know till where. Maybe till 0.72224, or maybe till 0.73275, or till 0.74009, and from there it will go down. So you, if you are a scalper, you can take benefit from that correction upward move. If you are a swing trader, wait in the correction and enter short in it. If you are a swing trader, only short, because is it only for down. If you put here a trend line like that, so it need to come and touch it, I don't know where, maybe here at 0.73275, then you enter short in it. So is it only for short, for swing trader, or for long term? But for short term, for 1 week or 2 days or 3 days, you can enter in it long. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear for you, my friend. As you see here, we got here a support or a divergence line. So you see it. The price it touches here, so our view to it will go up. It will touch the daily trend. That one is a daily. Then from there is going to fall down. Till now, there is nothing yet. So our view, it will go up till it will touch that up trend, or the daily trend, and from there is going to fall down, friend. I think everything is very clear, nothing hard. So you, as I told you, and I repeated that, every time I repeat it, if you are a swing trader, only for short. If you are a short-term trader, you can take benefit from that upward move, my friend. I think that's it for that pair, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, is the USD Japanese yen. And that one, if you remember last week what I told you from that level here is going to go up. And that's what happened. It touched 110.136. Then here it needs to make a retracement. Maybe it's going to go back to 109.164. And from there it will go up. So the USD Japanese yen is only for buy. There is no short in it. Remember that. If you are a scalper or if you are swing trader, only for buy. There is no short in it. Remember those things, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear for you. In the RSI, that upward one, that's a daily trend line. That one, sorry, let me make it like that. That one is the previous week divergence. And the down one, that one is a support. That one is a support at 4 hours. Our view here, when it touching that daily trend line here, it will come down and touch that support. Then from here you can enter buy to the upward move, my friend. I think everything is very clear, my friend, nothing hard. So USD Japanese yen is only for buy. There is no short in it. And remember, we are in the end of the month. So be careful, my friend, and at the last week of the month. Be careful for that. So the other pair we got is the gold. And the gold, as I told you last week, I told you it's going to make a correction from here, but it hasn't. It's still only ranging here. So our view, maybe from the level where it is now at 1775.17, it will go up, or it will fall down till 1747.31. And from there it will go up. So the target of us, you can take the first target at 1812 or at 1844. Remember those numbers, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear. In the RSI, as you see, that one is a daily, and if you remember it, as I told you, that support down in the RSI, that's a daily support, and that one up is a daily again. So every time it touch it, it fall down. Every time it touch it, it fall down. As you see it here in the chart, every time it touch it, it need to fall down. So now it touches, it need to fall down again. So our view to the RSI here, it will fall down and touch the daily support or daily zone in the RSI. Then from there it will go up. So you wait it to be touched here or at 50 level here. I think everything is very clear. That's why I told you maybe from the level where it is now, because now is it at 50, it will go up, or maybe it will fall down. I think everything is very clear, my friend. The gold is only for buy, my friend. Remember those things. The gold, Bitcoin is only for buy. Bitcoin is going to 100K. Bitcoin is going to 100K. Gold is going too high, to 1,039. Bitcoin is gold is going to 1,939. Bitcoin is going to 100K. Remember those things, my friend. Because gold and Bitcoin, they are the safe haven, and also we are in a world crisis, my friend. Remember those things. We are in the world crisis, and Bitcoin and gold, they are no short in them. They are safe haven. That where is the richest people, they put in the money of them in gold and Bitcoin. Remember those things, my friend. So the last pair we got, my friend, is the British pound Japanese yen, or the dragon. And that one, if you remember, I told you last week, we got here a double top or a M. Then from here, you see what happened. And you can find all those analysis in the previous video, my friend. Now, when it's falling down that fall, also here, we are in a support here. Even if you go back here, you're going to find it is a support. So now, our view is going to make a correction. We don't know till where. Maybe till 150.2 126 or to 151.026 or till 151.679 or till here where it started till 152.899. So if you are a scalper, you can take all that upward move. If you are a swing trader, there is no buy in it. There is only short in it. Wait the correction and enter with the big trend, my friend. The trend is your friend, my friend. Remember those things. The trend is your friend, my friend. Everything is very clear, my friend. Even if you put here a channel, that is a channel. As you see it, it touch it here, it needs to go back up and touch the upward of it, then it's going to fall down. It's a down channel, my friend. Remember those things. You are only in short if you are a swing trader. If you are a scalper, you can take 5 pips, 10 pips, till 20 pips in that upward move. But if you are a swing trader, waiting just to enter in it short. Let me to analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear, my friend. Here in the RSI, as you see, we got the one, the upward one is a daily one. Every time the price it touches, it falls down. And that one here, that one is a daily, and that smaller one here, that is 4-hour divergence. If you see it like that, that's a 4-hour divergence. That's when the price is going to make an upward move or an upward correction. We don't know till where. And even, let me show you something here. And here we got a small divergence or a hidden divergence. That means here in the RSI here, there's big momentum to push down. But here they push in the price, but there is no momentum. There is no sellers anymore. No one can sell from that level, my friend. So even you be aware of that, and you can take benefit from that upward move. If you're not, if you are a swing trader waited to touch that upward trend line of daily, then you enter short from there. I think everything is very clear to do that one. Let me show you how to do it again. We go to daily like that. Sorry. As you see here, that the divergence will push in that Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen to fall down. So also we put it like that in the top of it, like that. As you see it here. In the daily, it haven't touched it yet. But if we go down to 4 hours, sorry, if we go here to 4 hours, it's been a very stronger trend line. Every time it touches it fall down. Touch it here, fall down. It touch it here, it fall down. It touch it here, it fall down. It touch it here, it fall down, my friend. So even you now waiting the price to touch it again, then from there enter short to down, my friend. I think that's it, my friend, for that week. So waiting my weekly video in the coming week, and even in the coming week we are going to put a monthly video analyzing the Bitcoin, so for the picture to be more clear for you. And if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe and turn the bell notification for don't miss any video, and put it for all to get notified when any video came, my friend. So my friend, see you in the next week. Bye for now, my friend.